Well, if you have a larger van or SUV and you've noticed that you have been shredding your tires a lot faster than the wear warranty on those tires, I've got some good news for you today. I'm going to tell you how we fix that issue on our 2010 Toyota Sienna. Should work with any van or large SUV. And I've got some good news and some bad news. The good news is you can actually fix this. The bad news is if your situation's like mine, you may actually be the problem. Now, this is a 2010 Toyota Sienna. We bought it in 2012, and I noticed very quickly, within about 10,000 miles, that we were moving through tires a lot faster than we should have been. On the front side, this outside edge was wearing really quickly. First set of tires, I got less than 30,000 miles, and when I went to my first tire rotation, I asked the tire technician about this, and they told me, hey, you must be out of alignment. Oh no, I thought, I'm out of alignment. So I paid them a few $100s to get the alignment, and then when I picked up my car, I said, well, did you notice that it was really out of alignment? You know, they pull their paper with all their little numbers, and they said, no, actually your alignment is pretty good. Okay, so the problem with this car was not the alignment. Fast forward a few thousand miles, when I went to my next rotation, I asked a different tire place what they thought about why my tires were wearing so quickly. They told me if we live in a small town, which we do, and we're doing a lot of in-town driving, a lot of turning, that's going to be pretty hard on those tires. Now, at this point, I thought maybe I should blame my wife. This is her car. Has there ever been a better soccer mom car than a 2010 Toyota Sienna? Hit me in the comments, what's a better soccer mom car than this? So I figured I better blame my wife, but then being in the car with her when she drives, I noticed she doesn't drive aggressively, she doesn't turn or corner hard, so not sure what the problem is there. But this got me thinking, if it's mostly just in-town turning that's causing the problem, maybe there's something that we're doing that is facilitating these tires wearing a lot faster than they should. And that's when I took notice of the fact that our driveway and getting into our garage is a hard right turn. You got to come down our driveway, turn right into the garage, and realizing that we are doing an awful lot of turning when we get in and out of the garage. But the solution to this problem was to make sure that you never turn the wheel hard when the car is not moving. That is the bad habit that we were doing. We realized we were backing out of the driveway, turning really hard, getting into the driveway, turning really hard when the car wasn't moving. All of that turning with the vehicle not moving was what was causing our tires to shred. Once we finally figured that out, we had a family meeting and we decided that we needed to break this habit. Now, I was going to blame my wife for this problem. Turns out I was doing the exact same thing, and we have since stopped doing that. I'm on my fourth set of tires. The last set of tires before we made this change didn't even last 30,000 miles, and these tires are doing excellent. Just had my tire rotation appointment, and the wear level on these tires is great. I usually would take a wear level indicator and I could check from the outside to the inside, and the outside was typically wearing much, much faster than the inside. Now, without turning the wheel, without moving, we have totally fixed that issue. So if you're noticing that your van or your SUV is shredding tires really quickly, make sure you never turn the wheel without the car not moving. You can actually fix that pretty easily. As you begin to cut the wheel, just make sure you're moving either forward or back. You don't have to be moving fast. Just get moving a little bit, and then you can cut that wheel really hard. Well, this is Jason for Poodle Dad. If this was helpful, would you hit that subscribe button? And I will catch you in the next one.